Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 15-foot by 48-inch pool set with cover, ladder, pump, and 6 replacement filter cartridges. The Intex Prism frame pool set has everything you need to get the backyard pool parties going this summer. The above-ground pool comes with a cartridge filter pump, a ladder, ground cloth, and a debris cover. Keep your pool performing at its best by investing in Intex Pool Easy Set Type A replacement filter cartridges. Product benefits. Prism frame pools have strong powder-coated steel tubing with a stylish liner. Constructed with puncture-resistant 3-ply material. Durable, easy to assemble, and ready for water in 60 minutes. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.